How do I use the image-to-text tool? Let's begin by opening this document in docReader. The document did not open the way documents typically do. Instead, it has the message on the screen that reads, "There is no readable text on this page, but it does contain images." Would you like to try to convert any text in the images to readable text? We answer the question by clicking on Yes. The optical character recognition, called OCR, takes place. Let's read the title.
Race to make smart glasses relevant heats up again with new tech from Meta and Snap.
Now let's go back to our content and open another document in docReader. The document is called Helpful Professor. We don't get the screen message, but we cannot highlight the text. To make the document readable, we click on the image-to-text tool, which has an image connected to a sheet of paper as the icon. The OCR process takes place, and the document is now readable. Let's read the title.
HelpfulProfessor.com.
Using the image-to-text tool makes the document readable and allows us to use all the tools in docReader as long as the document is opened in docReader. If you go back to the original document, it goes back to being a scanned document.